Pisa at sunset, its streets glowing in golden light, a scene full of detail. This is Evening in Pisa, a 500-piece Ravensburger puzzle that challenged the world's best at the 2023 World Jigsaw Puzzle Championships. Today we're going to take on the challenge of building it to see what all the hype is about. Let's start the clock and begin the build. As we finish placing the last pieces, let's appreciate every street, every window, every glowing detail of Pisa, from the leaning tower to the winding cobblestone streets. Puzzlers online have praised this image for its warm, light and vivid colors, saying it's satisfying to put together and a joy to watch come to life. But completing the picture is only part of the fun. To truly relive the experience, we're about to explore an alternative view of the puzzle. The structured builds create pleasing patterns and shapes on the screen, offering a fresh perspective on the image as it collapses and comes back together. Watch closely and enjoy the next segment. Next up, we're heading to London with Ravensburger's Colourful London Townhouses, a 500-piece puzzle featured at the 2022 World Jigsaw Puzzle Championships in Spain. Don't be fooled by those bright pastel facades. Puzzlers online say this one looks simple, but it quickly turns into a real test of focus once you start sorting all those shades. At the championship tables, it pushed even top puzzlers to stay sharp as they raced the clock. Time to find out why this one earned its spot at the World Championships. As the final pieces are placed, London comes to life. Puzzlers on Reddit say this is the kind of build that you think will be easy, but it's deceptively challenging. And I agree. I started with the door and the green plant containers, then let the rest of the puzzle guide me, finishing with the sections of the edge last. Completing it is a rewarding feeling. Now that the puzzle is complete, let's switch things up and explore a fresh perspective. Sit back and enjoy the next segment, an alternative time-lapse of this build. And that brings us to the end of today's builds. Thanks so much for watching and spending some puzzle time with me. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, you'll find more championship pics, structured time lapses, and detailed builds in my puzzles builds playlist, so feel free to check that out next. And if you'd like to follow along with future puzzles and more creative breakdowns like these, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks again for being here, and I'll see you in the next build.